How to remove flashlight from iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Wallpaper option and tap on it. The Wallpaper section allows you to change and customize the backgrounds for your lock screen and home screen. On this screen, tap on the Customize button under the current lock screen preview. This will take you to the lock screen customization interface. Next, locate the flashlight shortcut icon at the bottom left corner of the screen with a minus icon on it. Tap on the minus icon to remove the flashlight. After removing it, tap on Done at the top right corner to save your changes. Your lock screen has now been updated with the new customizations. Following these steps, you can easily remove the flashlight from an iPhone lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.